We're going to start by pumping up your 260 red balloon. You can use a scrap balloon. All we need from this balloon is a 3 centimeter bubble. Squish all the air to the tip of the balloon and leave a long tail and tie a knot. Next, we're going to use our 260 yellow balloon. You can also use a longer scrap for this piece. And tie a knot. Now we're going to make the tail of Charmander. So what we're going to do is we're going to attach the long red tail to the yellow tail. We're going to tie it together. Just do a double knot. And now what we're going to do is we're going to make an apple twist on the tip of the yellow balloon. And what you do is you push the knot from the outside of the yellow balloon inwards, and then you grab the knot from the outside with your other hand and you twist it together, and that's how you make an apple knot. But make sure that the red bit of the balloon is inside the apple knot, so it's attached together like this. Feel free to push the bits of the yellow balloon together just to tighten it. Now pump up your 260 orange balloon and tie a knot. We're going to start by making a pinch twist. And then an 8 centimeter bubble. And then another pinch twist. Now we're going to pump up our ivory balloon. You don't have to pump it up all the way. We only need a little section. What you're going to do is we're going to tie one end to one of the pinch twists. And we're going to use it to make one 8 centimeter bubble and then tie it to the other pinch twist. You can cut off the rest of the ivory balloon and tie a knot. This is for the tummy of Charmander. So we're going to continue on with the orange balloon. And we're going to make two 4 centimeter bubbles. And we're going to tie it back to the other pinch twist. This makes the feet of Charmander. Next, we're going to make three 3 centimeter bubbles. And then we're going to tie it back to the other pinch twist on the other side. This is so it makes the lower back of Charmander, and we can attach the tail onto here later. We're going to make another 8 centimeter bubble, tie it to the other pinch twist on the other side. And we're going to make one last 8 centimeter bubble and tie it back to the other pinch twist. Feel free to adjust anything if you need to. Next, we're gonna grab that 3 centimeter bubble, the middle 3 centimeter bubble, and we're gonna turn it into a pinch twist. And what we do is we use the rest of that orange balloon, and we're gonna squeeze the air out until it reaches the middle pinch twist. So that becomes a part of Charmander's tail. Now make a 5 centimeter bubble with the orange balloon, and you can cut off the rest and tie a knot. Now to attach the yellow balloon onto the orange tail, we're just going to tie the tail of the orange balloon onto where the end of the apple twist was. And we're just going to tie a knot and make it super tight. can cut off the rest of your yellow balloon and make sure to tie a knot if you need to. Now what we're going to do to hide the knots is just to push the orange balloon and the yellow bit of the balloon together, so it just hides it a little better. Feel free to shape the tail as you need to, just curve it up a little bit. And the twisting part is complete. Onto the drawing. We're going to use a black marker first. To draw the eyes, we're going to do 2 long upside down U's. And we're going to draw a little line on the bottom to close off the eye. Inside that U, we're going to draw a C shape with another smaller C shape inside it. This makes the inside of the eye and the spot for the highlight. Now we're going to draw 2 little strokes for the eyebrows, 2 little dots for the nose, and a really big curvy line for the mouth. Now grab a green marker and color in the eye. And at last, we're going to use a white marker and color in the highlights and the white of the eyes. Isn't it so easy? And your Balloon Charmander is complete.
We'll have a Balloon Charmander. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you, bye-bye!